In this video, I'll show you how to automate client onboarding in Dubsado so you can save time and deliver professional experience. Step 1. Create a workflow. In Dubsado, go to the Workflows tab and set up an automation that starts whenever a new client signs their contract or submit a form. Step 2. Automate your welcome email. Add a step in the workflow that instantly sends personalized text. And the welcome message, you can include your next steps, resources, or even a link to their client portal. Step 3. Attach forms and questionnaires. If you need a project details, automatically send an intake form or questionnaire as a part of the workflow. This ensures you get the info you need upfront. Step 4. Schedule calls automatically. Connect Dubsado with your scheduler so clients can immediately book their kickoff call without back and forth emails. Step 5. Add reminders and tasks. Set up automatic reminders for clients to complete forms or payments, and even assign internal tasks for yourself or your team. With these steps, you'll have a fully automated onboarding system inside Dubsado, welcoming clients, collecting info, and scheduling meetings all hands-free. And that's how you automate client onboarding. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.